Hello, my beautiful family. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. So, if it's your first time and you just came across this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're my sub, thank you for watching. So, so clearly today's topic is about Maweni's husband, there was a voice note leaked of him, which is admitting to this video that voice note was from 3 years back. It's something that has actually happened in the past, and also why should people judge him? So, guys, I made these videos just to rectify, like, as I've said, that it could be an AI, it could not be real. So I just found out that voice note was actually a real one. It really happened. So here's him explaining everything and asking people why should they be judging him.
Lalela, uma ngabe kuyiqiniso ukuthi sonke sifunda ngamaphutha, kungani ningibambe ngamasende ngephutha elenzeke eminyakeni emithathu eyedlule? Mhlawumbe uma ngabe seniqedile ukuhlekisa ngehlala izolo, kuyofanele nizibuze ukuthi mangaka amatafula bengawo uma besingawasusa amagamethi ekwasekeleni. Mhlawumbe kuyofanele nikhulekele nengelozi yokwamukela ukuthi ukusehlukanisa nehlulekile. I'm building a future with my wife. Thank you. Mhlambe kuyofanele niphume niphele kuthina.